HB 6298 is a proposed bill that impacts many people. Because this bill impacts both consumers and businesses, it needs to be carefully considered before further action can be confidently taken by this committee. In today's economic environment, we do not want to pass legislation that we are not sure of its full impact on the business community and also the rights of our consumers. Therefore, we believe that additional information and careful analysis of the impact that legislation such as this, it has been passed in other states or is currently pending in other states, would have. We are asking the Department of Consumer Protection to further study this matter and make a recommendation to this committee. When people talk about resale of tickets and scalping, automatically the thought is that it's going to be for a higher price. But as a consumer, for example, if I have a ticket and I want to resell it because I can't make it to that event, I can certainly also be selling it for the same price I purchased it or for much less. So we need to be careful exactly how legislation will impact that. So it's not just that it's being scalped for a higher price. There's also other issues that need to be considered, so there's certainly another side that needs to be looked at. Things change as technology changes. So as we're hearing more and more that these entertainers want to go to ticketless, we need to see how that impacts the venues. As we've all been talking about, then those are the businesses in the state of Connecticut we need to respect, as well as then the consumers, those who are going to be purchasing those tickets. If it is going to be ticketless, what rights, if any, are going to change for them when they go to resell? So that's irrespective of even the second market resale of tickets. So there's a variety of different groups that we're looking at, and that's why it's so important for us to take a step back, review that testimony that was provided, speak with the DCP in addition to what have they heard from the individual consumers in the state of Connecticut, and then again get together, work with all of the parties to pass smart legislation. But again, we need to be mindful that we don't want to prevent any entertainer from coming to the state of Connecticut and going to our neighboring states, but at the same time we do need to be respectful then of that consumer, because if you've got that young child that wants to go to a particular show, let's say for example they want to buy the ticket at $25, let's say that something happens that child then can't go to the event, you want them to also be able to then give their ticketless ticket maybe to a friend that could make the show. So again, it's a variety of different aspects that we have to be looking at.